entire cycle. Of course, we know the characteristics of the Class A power amplifier. The operation is restricted to smaller region of the load line because it is in center, of course, but we cannot get the maximum power. Only it is limited to few watts. It operates only in a linear region. The efficiency is only 25%. The advantages of the Class A power amplifier. So current flows for the complete cycle, and it is very simple design and to implement because same like a single stage RC coupled amplifier. They can amplify the small signals, and the distortion is there is no distortion. And the coupling element is not required here, and because direct resistor is used in the load, and this makes the circuit cheaper because if you go for transformer coupling, it is bulkier and then costly. The disadvantages of the Class A power amplifier. Now Class A amplifier efficiency is only 25% and very low collector efficiency. Because of that, the output impedance is high, so impedance matching is now poor. Some other disadvantage, and it doesn't satisfy the maximum power transfer condition because of the high output impedance, and the load resistance is directly connected to the load output, and hence the quiescent current passes through the resistive load during the zero signal conditions, and this current represents a considerable waste of the power as the current flows in the zero signal condition. Also then the what happens, so there is a wastage of power. And this is all about today's class, that is Class A power amplifier circuit, Class A operation, and efficiency, advantage and disadvantage of the Class A power amplifier. Let us go through a small quiz. The amplifier that operates in linear region at all times is called as a Class A amplifier, you know, because we have discussed about that one only. The peak current in a Class A power amplifier that can be delivered to the load that depends upon the maximum rating of the power supply, quiescent current, current in the bias resistor, and size of the heatsink. See here, it is depends upon quiescent current. Here, Class A power amplifier has a VCQ is 12 volts and ICO is a 1 amp. Then what is the maximum signal power output here? So you can simply calculate it is of 6 watts because we have a equation to calculate here. The conversion efficiency of a power amplifier is the ratio of the power delivered to the load is now how it is converting DC power to AC power. So the maximum efficiency of the Class A power amplifier is now 25%. The questions that may be asked in the examination are draw the Class A amplifier with a resistive load and explain the operation of Class A amplifier with resistive load and derive the expression for efficiency of the Class A amplifier